Hi, I'm Michelle, news editor for Zebra Skimmers Corporation.
And I'm Steve, a member of the Zebra product development team.
We're here to discuss the Dazzle system, designed to save you time and money. Steve, can you tell us how that works?
It monitors and maintains every machining center within the factory. Dazzle eliminates the need to haul water or handling chemicals. No more fumbling with refractometers or keeping records.
That also means no more spills, no more bucket brigades. What's left for the customer to do?
Almost nothing. We install it and connect it. We then program and calibrate the system for each machining center. When any single machine needs fluid, the system adds the perfect amount of chemical and water to that machine.
Then the customer has to order concentrate?
They don't have to. Dazzle can automatically generate an email for the vendor when needed.
So the customer doesn't have much left to do. If that's the case, the savings must be significant.
Exactly. We've seen cases where concentrate savings alone can be 50%.
What about the savings on labor? That's harder to track.
Very true, Michelle. But if we shave 10 minutes of labor a day per machine, we save tens of thousands of dollars every year.
What are some of Dazzle's other features?
For starters, it's part of the Internet of Things, Industry 4.0 ready.
Really? Can you tell us more about that?
Industry 4.0 means management can monitor and control the system from any device, and it can be integrated easily into the factory of the future.
Wow! Call us today to learn more how Dazzle can improve your quality and bottom line. We also have previous installations.
Our partners
Standing by to show you Dazzle in action. They are our partners, aren't they?
They sure are. In fact, our partners have given us video testimonials without our asking.
As your partner, we make sure the system performs to your satisfaction no matter what, 24/7. Thank you, Steve, and thank you for watching.